welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing some cuticle cleanup on myself. I'll be prepping my nails for painting my nails. So I'm just pushing back my cuticles, as you can see in the video. Pushing back all my cuticles so I can remove the dead skin on my nails. So I'm using the 120 sanding band of my nail drill to remove the dead skin after pushing back my cuticles.
Baby, yeah, I only want you. Baby, yeah, I only want you.
So I changed my drill bit to my cuticle drill bit, and I'm just trying to clean inside and lift the dead skin around the nail. So I'm using the cuticle drill bit. I got this drill bit, it came with the nail drill in case you're wondering, and I'm so excited because honestly I didn't know what kind of nail drill bit to get. I just bought it. I'm like, okay, I'll figure it out later, and I'm so excited that it came with this friendly complete set. Like, you don't need almost of all those bits to do anything.
Baby, yeah, I only want you.
So I changed the bit to this ball bit to clean around the dead skin first, to get whatever I could get out of there before going in with my dead skin remover. So just cleaning. Basically, you need to clean your nails before you apply product to it, just so it adheres better. So clean. Don't be tired, don't overfoul, and don't be too harsh or too rough on your nails. Pet those babies, okay?
Baby, yeah, I only want you. I only you. Baby, yeah, I only want you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Only want you. I only want you, 'cause I only want you, yeah. 'Cause I only want you, yeah. 'Cause I only want you, baby, yeah, I only want you, yeah, 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 yeah. Only want you.
Point, I just cleaned my nails using acetone. I just felt like the dust were everywhere, so I had to reduce them before going further. So that was why I cleaned at this point. So I'm using acetone and a brush, and I'm cleaning up down motion, not the sideways motion, because it just pushes the whole dirt to the side of your nails. And I find like brushes, the brittles are little tinier, so they get into places those other brushes cannot get. That is just my preference and my notice, and you can try them if you like, but I just feel like brushes work better for me then. So I'm just using my nail drill with the same 120 sanding band to roughen the surface of my nails so my products adheres better. Now I'm shaping my nails with my nail file, just shaping them to the natural shape. The natural nails are quite funny, so just have to follow the shape that they are. And yeah, just shape, follow it, clean shape, and just arrange it so your tips fits better.
Baby, yeah, I only want you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Only want you. I only want
Okay, so I'm just double cleaning, and yes, my nails are ready for product application. Thank you for watching, and yes, I'll be trying acrylic application. I just hope it turns out well. See you in my next video. Bye.